Is your startup struggling with technology decisions or growth challenges? Here are 5 signs that you might need a CTO right now. The first sign is that your tech team is taking up all your time. If the current tech team keeps bugging you with issues and you can't focus on your planned tasks, it's time to hire a CTO. A CTO allows you to focus on strategic business goals while they manage the tech. Now, the second sign is a lack of technical expertise within your core team. If your team relies on external developers for critical decisions, it's time to consider a CTO. A CTO embeds technical expertise directly into your leadership team. The third sign is difficulty scaling your technology as your business grows. As your user base grows, your infrastructure and tech stack should keep up. A CTO ensures your technology is scalable, efficient, and future-ready. Then, the fourth sign is inconsistent product development. Well, if your tech team consistently misses deadlines and produces bugs, it could be a clear sign of inefficiency or poor project management. A CTO brings strategic leadership to simplify your product roadmap. Lastly, the fifth sign is poor communication between technical and non-technical teams. If your business strategy and tech execution aren't aligned, it's time for a CTO. A CTO bridges the gap, ensuring both sides work toward the same goals. Now that we've covered the signs, let's recap why you need a CTO. A CTO helps you drive growth, simplify processes, and build a scalable product. They bring the right technical leadership to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities. So if you notice these signs in your startup, it's time to bring in a CTO. Thanks for watching. For more startup growth tips, visit our website at 6 p.m. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on startup leadership.